Hey, my name is John Strand. I'd like to take a couple of minutes and invite you to something just a little bit crazy, just a hair. At Antisyphon Security Training, we've got this thing going that we don't think very many people in the industry are doing, but it's called Pay What You Can Training. You all should check it out. And we have all these really cool tiers where you can choose to pay money for some like high quality training that you just really can't get anywhere for that type of price. But wait. There's actually more than just choosing to pay money. All the different tiers are kind of set up like Kickstarter tiers, where each tier, as you go up in the pay what you can model, gets you more cool stuff. Things like cool stickers, comic books, zines, little survival guides, t-shirts, and also credits towards a full class at Antisyphon Training of your choosing. So you should check that out. And for those of you that aren't maybe 100% certain, or maybe you're just one of those people that's in between careers and money is really tight, we hear you, we see you, we recognize you. Yes, zero is an option. We do offer educational assistance for people that need it. So be sure to check out Antisyphon's Pay What You Can training options. And I would like to personally recommend a handful of my classes. I have my Intro to SOC Core Skills, Introduction to Security Core Topics, and also my Cyber Deception class. All of those are Pay What You Can, and I rotate through them once every month or so. So be sure to check it out. Like I said, no one else is doing it. This is like the quality you get at those big boys that charge, tens of thousands of dollars for training, but you can get it at a price that's easily accessible. I show up to your living room in a totally non-creepy sort of way, and we do training together, and all the labs are included. Yes, we have full lab time. You get lab time with the Pay What You Can training. So be sure to check it out at Antisyphon Security Training. Can't wait to see you at the next session.